Hey guys, Erica with Kate here. Today's video is going to be on how to take a jumpsuit or a romper and turn it into a pants outfit. But it didn't fit me correctly because I couldn't wear a proper bra with it because the back was open. So the whole point of this series, I guess, is to help you guys become DIYers for your clothes. If you guys have clothes that you absolutely love and it just doesn't fit your body correctly, just fix it yourself or do it yourself. And so, we want to dress for the body that we have and not the body that we want. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.